This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Monica Swanson. Why wait for new construction when you can move into this absolutely immaculate and like new 4-bedroom home ready for new owners? As you walk into the home, you will be welcomed into an open floor plan that is spacious for everyone to spread out. The light and bright kitchen is perfect to prepare your family meals, complete with a breakfast bar. Your large family room allows for gathering and entertaining and has a wonderful view of your garden and backyard through the sliders. The dining room/living room can also be used as an office, perfect for working from home. The split floor plan keeps the owner's suite apart from the other bedrooms, allowing for privacy. The owner's suite also boasts an en-suite bathroom with a garden tub, dual vanity, and a generous walk-in closet. Enjoy the Florida lifestyle and nature with a refreshing tall glass of lemonade from the privacy of your patio overlooking your huge backyard with no neighbors behind. The oversized lot has plenty of room for barbecues, playing a game of catch, and to put in your own swimming pool. The home also features a wall and pest control system and an irrigation system. Nestled in the heart or Ruskin, the community offers many amenities such as a pool and cabana to cool off, playground for the little ones, a dog park for your pooches, tranquil ponds, and nature walking trails. Located close to Ruskin's Little Harbor Resort and Marina, where you can launch your boat or catch a gorgeous sunset, practice yoga or dance to the drum circle at, for example, Simmons Park and Apollo Beach, or enjoy waterfront dining at Circle's Waterfront Restaurant and Finn's Dockside Bar and Grill. Shopping and community events are within minutes, as well as major highways, making an easy commute to Tampa, St. Pete and Sarasota, and a quick access to national sports and entertainment attractions and Tampa Bay's beautiful beaches. Seller will contribute up to $5,000 towards buyer's closing costs and/or prepaids, including rate buy down. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Monica Swanson at 813-296-1393.